Hello everyone, Grognak here with Dragonforge Creations. We're going to be going over the API system today. So, in our box with our quest system are 3 API boxes. Res 1 out, you can see the API box comes with DFC Quest Give Only API 1.0. That is the base of the API system. Right now we'll get rid of these because they're not important. Basic API. Can see that on a touch it sends give quest and the toucher's name, and it sends 101. That is the quest number that it wants. So message link set, and it's sending it to the whole set, the number of the quest you want, give quest, and the UUID of who the quest is going to be given to. So then it sends that to the core of the system. The system then sends the message to the user's HUD. Okay, we're going to give that user that number of quest. And it also sends a message back to the link set saying start 1. Okay, what's the start 1? That is start 1. Now what happened is I hard-coded all this in just as a quick example. But what we've added to the API is a trigger give and a trigger complete. So when you give a quest, start 1 is triggered. When you complete this quest, done 1 is triggered. So let's give this a try. See what happens. Touch the box. And we get the quest. And it says, thank you so much, you have started quest number 101. Very simple. But to expand on it, gonna need to know your own scripting. So let's clear this out. We'll come over to this second box, touch it, and see what happens. Oh, we get a box saying 101. Click that. Collect apples, and it gives us 101. Let's look inside and see what's going on. We look at our note card, and we notice there's actually 2 quests on the note card, but we only saw 1 on the thing. If you notice, we've added, in this one, minimum level. Level 0 for the first quest, level 5 for the second quest. And seeing how I'm level 1, then it will only show me the first quest. Let's take this level down to 1. Save. And we clear out all my things. Okay, it's done. I click the box. Oh. Zero. Yeah. And pre-quest. That's probably why. None. Save. Oh. Then reset scripts, because just saving isn't going to update the menu scripts. Always remember to reset the scripts when you change something. So click here. Now we get 101 and 102. So I can go ahead and pick up 101, and then I can pick up 102. And collect 2 apples, collect 5 apples. And if you look in the complex API, it's a whole lot more coding and information, using data server to collect information from the note card. It's looking at the Unity HUD for levels, but it's still at the core receiving the linked message. Oh wait, that's the menu. If we come back up here. Display menu. It'll be in the listen. Listen. It's still here. Link message, link this, integer message. That's when we click up here, 101 or 102. That's giving the integer, which is the quest number, to the system, and give quest to the toucher. That's the base of the quest system right there, or the API system. So that is the quest give API. Let's look at the quest turn in API and see how that differs. Okay, the simple basic API, again, it's just a touch, give the 101, but you can see it actually, when you turn in, it does the done one instead of just the start one. So it listens for when you turn in, and it knows that, okay, turned in, going to send this message, done one, to the link set so you can listen for it in your API. Just gives the ability to trigger events when a quest is turned in, to trigger events when a quest is started, but it requires scripting knowledge to use the API system. And just a quick look at the quest item API. Quest item API 1.0. Simple is you touch it, it links the message, give Q item, comma, apple to the toucher. So it knows to give that quest item to the toucher, and the item name is apple. And when it gives the item, it sends a link message out, gave item. And you can do with what you want. This one, it says that it gave them an apple. Thank you so much. So let's look. I just gave you 1 apple. Now the advanced, how I have this set up. Let's delete that. So the advanced, how I set up, you click it. Oh, apple, orange, banana. So I want an orange. I click that, and if I had a HUD, or if I had a quest set up to collect oranges, it would have given me an orange. But I need apples, so there. Those apples are collected. Oh, but I can't collect more apples for the second quest until I turn the first quest in. That is one limitation to the system. So that's a brief explanation of the APIs. If you have any questions, please contact Drakus, and thank you for watching.